In this video, we will show you how to install your new UltraFit nylon strap accessory on your compatible Garmin QuickFit watch. This includes series such as the Descent, Enduro, Epix, Phoenix, Forerunner, and other watches. For this process, you will need a clean workspace and the UltraFit nylon strap. If you do not already have the UltraFit nylon strap, visit Garmin.com and select your Garmin watch. On the product page, select Accessories. Then select Bands. Here you can choose the compatible UltraFit nylon strap size for your watch. Now that we have the correct size UltraFit nylon strap, let's start by removing the QuickFit watch band. Note that if your watch is QuickFit compatible, see our other videos for help removing the equipped watch band. Using your finger, press down on the latch. Now, slightly pull the band away from the watch. Repeat these steps on the other side of the band. Next, insert the open end of the strap into the gap between the bezel and the lower spring bar. Note that the hook and loop side will be facing upwards. Pull the strap through and then insert the open end into the top gap from the front of the watch. Press firmly on the open end and the back top of the strap to secure the hook and loop in place. We can now slip the watch strap onto our wrist. Pull on the closed end of the strap to tighten the watch on your wrist. Finally, press firmly on both the closed end and the back lower of the strap to secure it in place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos on your adventure watch, visit support.garmin.com.